Hey guys, once again we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Aliexpress and Amazon sites. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go. It is an incredibly realistic 60-center replica of IronMan MK50 armor. The great thing about this kit is that anyone can enjoy it. Although the model is very sophisticated, its step-by-step instructions make it a perfect gift for newbie model makers as well as seasoned ones. All you need is a screwdriver that comes with the kit. So, is a fully articulated, detailed and large-scale Iron Man model your perfect gift? Perhaps it is. If you have Spider-Man fans in your life, then cool superhero gadgets like the web shooter toy is a great choice. This web shooter can be launched repeatedly and has the recognizable gestures of the superhero gadget in comics. As Marvel gadgets, they are sturdy, dependable and long-lasting, since they have been structurally designed and evaluated for material resistance to falls. The IronMan MK50 robot is the most ambitious toy they've made yet in terms of merging pop culture expectations, technology, and fun. On the one hand, the lines and colors are perfect. It really feels like Marvel had a hand in approving the design of the toy, and that UB Tech cared about getting it right. He can move, turn his head, lift his arms, and even walk. Uncle Milton's Marvel Science Iron Man Arc Reactor Lab. This arc reactor looks straight out from the movie. The cable management is clean and it looks so good when lit up. The clear acrylic cover is a solid piece, no assembly required. The arc reactor itself is all alloy construction, not acrylic. It is heavy and durable. Enjoy awesome lights and sound effects. This is a really nice rendition of the Ant-Man helmet circa Ant-Man. It's the sleeker, more streamlined design. Overall, it is quite well executed, using the same solid plastics as the previous helmets. It is largely fully painted, giving a nice prop feel. The lighting mech is alright, switching between red or blue. The head harness inside is adjustable to fit your head. This thing is a beast. It's layered plastic that looks like it gets snapped in one on top of another, but that gives it a weight that lends to the overall feel of it. If you look closely, you can see the little snap slats on the rings in between the color rings. The color and finish are pretty well done. Inside it's pretty standard with 2 adjustable straps and it's silver. At first glance, Anakin Skywalker's final visage seems huge. The helmet comes in 3 parts, true to the design that audiences saw in Star Wars Episode 3. The pieces are shaped similarly to the pieces seen in the movie as well. In terms of comfort, the mask is a little narrow in the front, especially if you're Vader-sized. It's made to press right against your face, so no wearing glasses under it either. The Deluxe Omnitrix Creator Set is a pretty neat toy. You can transform the bracelet to look however you'd like, using a bunch of different pieces. There are green and red tubes that can be pushed into holes on the watch. Some of these holes light up, bringing light through the translucent pieces. They look pretty cool. With great power comes great responsibility. With the Marvel Spider-Man Color Shock Slinger in red, kings are ready to sling webs like Spider-Man. Load the included can of Spidey Shot web fluid and get ready for some web blasting action. Kids will discover that web slinging is not just a great way to fight crime, it's also the best way to have fun. With the Color Shock Slinger, it's time to blast. Imagine flying alongside the Marvel superheroes. You can be Iron Man with your side blast armor and help save the Earth. Get ready for a battle. The incredible thing is, you just push the button to make the armor go all the way up your arm, and it does it exactly like Iron Man's. Blast into action by pulling the lever to activate Dart Launcher, then push the button to start firing away. The IronMan electronic helmet is a perfect addition to the brand, built with the serious Marvel true believer in mind. It has a premium design with vibranium light effects across the helmet. It makes a great cosplay accessory which is durable for a long time. The lenses are adjustable, making cool superhero gadgets for Black Panther fans. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you haven't seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you most. Bye bye.